Security just announced that it is ending a decades-long federal court agreement that limits how long immigrant children can be kept in detention centers.
Faven Kate joins us from the update desk with more on the changes being made. Faven?
Good morning, guys. The Department of Homeland Security will now use a new immigration rule that would allow it to detain immigrant families who cross the border illegally indefinitely, replacing the long-standing Flores settlement that barred such detentions to 20 days. Now, DHS says it will now hold families together and, quote, improve the integrity of the immigration system. And they've laid out a blueprint for how they'll revise the current minimum standards of care. They say the so-called family centers will be campus-like settings, complete with suites for each family, large community living rooms with big screen TVs, gaming centers, a library, soccer field, movie theater, volleyball court, and they also said that children will now go to school there 5 days a week, painting a far different picture than the detention centers that have been under scrutiny for providing inhumane conditions.
The new rule establishes a high national standard for care of children and families in custody, allows the government to keep families together for fair and expeditious immigration proceedings, restores integrity to our immigration system, and eliminates the incentive for children to be used or exploited to enter the United States.
Yeah, critics, however, say that acting Homeland Security Kevin McClellan's emphasis on the upgrades being made to conditions at detention centers is simply a tactic to divert attention away from the fact that this new immigration policy will essentially allow the DHS to detain undocumented migrant children and families indefinitely. But he says he expects families to remain in custody for an average of 50 days. Now, this new immigration rule goes into effect in 2 months. However, the new rule must be approved by a federal judge and is expected to face an immediate court challenge. Guys, you know this isn't the last that we'll be hearing of this. We'll be sure to bring you any updates as they come into the Fox 5 newsroom. For now, that's the latest at the update desk. Alyssa, let me send things back over to you.